The ketogenic diet, often referred to as the keto diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss, improved metabolic health, and other therapeutic applications. Here's an overview of the key principles and characteristics of the ketogenic diet. Key principles: low carbohydrate intake. The primary focus of the ketogenic diet is to drastically reduce carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates are limited to a small percentage of total daily calorie intake, typically around 5–10%. Moderate protein intake. Protein intake is moderate and varies based on factors such as individual goals and activity levels. Excessive protein intake may interfere with ketosis, the metabolic state the diet aims to achieve. High fat consumption. The majority of daily calories come from fat sources, often reaching around 70–75% of total calorie intake. Healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils are emphasized. Transition to ketosis. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, the body enters a state called ketosis. In ketosis, the body shifts from using glucose, sugar, as its primary energy source to using ketones, which are produced from the breakdown of fats. Foods emphasized on a ketogenic diet. Fats. Healthy fats are a cornerstone of the ketogenic diet. These include avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, and fatty cuts of meat. Proteins. Moderate amounts of protein from sources like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and plant-based protein sources. Low-carb vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables with low carbohydrate content, such as leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and other nuts and seeds are often included for their healthy fats and moderate protein content. Dairy. Full-fat dairy products like cheese and cream are commonly consumed. Benefits. Weight loss. The ketogenic diet may lead to weight loss by promoting the body to burn stored fat for energy. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that the ketogenic diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Improved mental clarity. Some people report increased mental clarity and focus when in a state of ketosis. Appetite suppression. The diet may lead to reduced feelings of hunger and increased satiety. Considerations and cautions. Nutrient intake. Since the diet restricts certain food groups, careful planning is needed to ensure adequate intake of essential nutrients. Adaptation period. Some people experience the keto flu during the initial adaptation phase, which may include symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and irritability. Medical supervision. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as liver diseases or pancreatitis, should consult with a healthcare professional before attempting the ketogenic diet. Sustainability. The long-term sustainability of the ketogenic diet for some individuals may be challenging due to its restrictive nature. It's important to know that the ketogenic diet is not suitable for everyone, and individual responses can vary. Before starting any significant dietary changes, especially one as restrictive as the ketogenic diet, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance based on individual health goals and considerations.